We're at a viewpoint and the view is pretty cool. Down this valley which we're gonna be driving down. Whoa, sorry I shivered there. We slept there in the car. We just stopped at lay-by and found out there was a hike, so it seems relatively flat and it's only 3k. I'm hiking in cycling shoes. I'm hiking. Oh, bit rocky, literally. Uh-oh. Where we go first, Jack? I can feel me falling in. That's cold, man. I'm halfway across this. I think my feet are gonna get wet. So we successfully traversed the river. And now we've got to traverse a little bit of icy snow. There's fresh water coming off this.
Joe's feet smell like corpses.
Right, it's time to see how the Shimano cycling shoes handle walking on snow. Round one. Yeah, clip into that snow. Amazing. So I think the theory is that these cans are like the original cans which people used for this valley. So that's pretty cool. Oh man, I'd love some garlic bread right now with crisps sandwiched in between the slices. Whew. So back to the car. It's all right now. Stopped off so we could come and adventure this little huge chunk of snow which goes way back. Hoping it doesn't just shift and break down onto us because we'd be pretty screwed. It's like 3 times the height of me. Look at that there. Ah, in the snow right now. Never seen anything like this. This is so awesome. I mean, look at this. That's a perfect shot, man. Hey! Do we give them salt sticks? Hey!
I'm gonna feed this one.
Hey!
Oh! Oh yeah, that's right! Oh.
That crunch. Hey! Yo, me and my sheep. Oh, he's looking. Ow! He bit me. Dude, I want to get rabies. Quick, while they're looking the other way. So we're on our way up to Waterfall, which is a huge waterfall, and we're really feeling the DOMs today from the Goldhoppigan hike, which was 48 hours ago. And we were going up a nice little shingle track, and now we're back to these big rocky things, which is why we have the DOMs, because they are pretty brutal to walk on. Nice little trail now. Very beautiful. Look at this toadstool. I've seen a lot of fun guys around here, but I haven't seen one of these big red ones yet. Right on the trail. Right on the trail. River running down here. Sounds amazing. I don't know how much further we got to go until the major waterfall, but we got this nice little guide rail. This path is pretty sketchy. Hopefully we get to go across this bridge. Should be a laugh. Kind of scared of bridges. Who knows when they're gonna fail, you know? Could be today, could be tomorrow. Hopefully not when I'm on it. We're about to go on a sketchy bridge. Look at this thing. There's like a solid wooden bit and then like a... I'm kind of scared about this. I'm actually really scared about this. We're gonna try and conquer it. I'm not sure about this, man. I've never been so scared in my life. That was scary. I only went halfway, but that was scary, man. Wild raspberries. I'm pretty sure they're raspberries. I'm not sure enough that I want to eat them, but I don't know any other berries that look like raspberries. Nice and organic and fresh. There it is. We're barefoot now because we didn't want to get our shoes wet, because we're trying to get around this this big corner here so we can see the waterfall. Oh, look at this, overhanging. We got to get around it. We gotta. Look at this! It's crazy!
Whoa! I'm done. I already got my head in water, I'm done. Wait, armpits, fuck. Okay, now I'm done, man, now I'm done. I'm done. So back to the road trail. It's about 4 or 5k back. And my DOMs have hurt me so much. It's easier to walk downhill backwards than it is to walk down forwards. This, oh, my quads, man, my quads. He's a wimp.
about to enter the longest tunnel in the world. This is it, guys. 15 miles, 25k. We got the recirc on because it probably stinks in here. So yeah, it's gonna be us for the next, what do you reckon, 15 minutes? Whoa! Whoa. Fucking hell, what the hell is this? That was awesome, man! We're about to hit the halfway point. 12.5k either direction to get out of this tunnel right now. There's another one of these weird sections. This is so cool. Look at this. That was halfway, so now we've got 12.5k to escape either way if this thing was to go wrong. Yes, this is so sick. Look at that. What in the world? 20 minutes driving. 20 minutes driving if we're sticking to the speed limit, which Jack is. He's a very, very good driver. We survived. No ghoulies or anything scary. Oh, look, back out's amazing. Norwegian lands. Voss. Dude, Voss. Get some Voss water. We just went up this like scenic route. There's a tunnel which literally goes underneath us, like a few hundred meters below us. We've gone back ourselves just so we can come up here and see the scenic old route and the route the cyclists have to come, because you can't go through the tunnels. I love that texture. The valleys going in and out. We're currently on a trail, a 1k or 0.9k trail to one last waterfall. We're getting them all in today. This one's nice and flat though, but the DOMS is bad. DOMS is bad, isn't it, Jack?
It's bad!
A lot easier of a walk than the one earlier. And we're going to be seeing a nice big waterfall. This place is just incredible. You got like landslidey stuff here. Landslidey stuff here, an awesome valley, and a huge waterfall. Let's get closer. Waterfalls, man, waterfalls, dude. I don't know why they're here, what they're marking out, or anything, but they are creepy. It's like some Blair Witch psycho stuff. Oh God. Oh man, this guy's brave.